Well, DJ, been quite a day down here in Orlando at this boat show.
Yes.
What do you
Sir.
think? What do you think the way these boats have changed? They've become massive.
Well, I think it's great. I mean, I've seen so many nice boats here in Orlando today. It's just awesome, and the way they've come out with these big motors now. It's not that you have to worry about little boat motors anymore. These motors are. I've seen them here today. 3 of them on a boat. 450 horsepower, and then of course, as you can look right over here, I've seen your basic 150s. But I'll tell you what. Some of these boats that are coming out now, it's just mackerel. They got everything on. They got TVs on them, depth finder, GPSs. They got everything that you can think of. But yes, coming to Orlando down here in the middle of the winter like this, it's really good. I really like coming here to stuff like this. And you have to remember when you come here, you're going to see the new stuff, the new fishing boats, the new runabout boats, and the new charter boats. And all you got to do is just take your pick. They are here. Take your pick, whatever you want. They're here at Orlando. So just remember, if you like us, subscribe to it. And if you want to see DJ again, shoot me a mail, shoot me an email. Hey, I'll chat with you. I'll talk to anybody in this building here at the Orlando Boat Show, or I'll talk to you on the water. I'll see you on the water. Thank you very much.